Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be working on the $6 million car. The Lamborghini Venano. This car's got a price tag of between $5 and $6 million for one copy. So this is going to be fun to break down and put back together. So let's get started. We got it drilled and stripped. This is what we got to work with. I'm not sure about these wheels. I may keep these wheels, I may change them, I'm not sure. So what we're going to do is take this and take it to the paint shop and give it a paint job. We'll be right back. We're back from the paint shop and got her painted. It looks so-so. Not great, but it's not the worst. So let's go ahead and put it back together and see what it looks like. We started with this. And we finished up with this. Thanks guys for watching my video today. Please be sure to subscribe if you haven't. Click the little bell for notifications. Appreciate your comments. Give a thumbs up if you liked the video or a thumbs down if you didn't. We'll catch you on the next one. Everybody have a great day. We'll see you later.